Hey everyone, my name is Reza. Now I will show you how to learn Arduino program. First, you have to download the software on the arduino.cc. Move the cursor at software and click download button. And then download according to your operating system. Open the software. Here is it. This is a default program. Now I will make the LED blink code. First, I will type here int 13 equals LED. That means is pin 13 is LED. And then I will type at void setup pin mode opening parenthesis 13 output. That means pin 13 is output. And now I code void loop digital write opening parenthesis 13 comma height close parenthesis semicolon. That means LED is on or high or powered, and I give a delay 1000 milliseconds, and I retype digital write opening parenthesis 13 comma and low closes parenthesis semicolon, and I give a delay 1000 milliseconds for back to the first code. Finally, your code is done. Verify your code and upload to your Arduino.